You're watching Old and Broke. It's payday. You check your bank app, money's in, you smile. Fast forward 72 hours, new shoes, takeout, maybe a wild night out, and your balance, gone. Sound familiar? You're not broken. You're living in a system designed to keep you broke. But today we're flipping the script. This isn't another get-rich-quick video. This is the real blueprint the top 1% use to win with money, on autopilot. We're going to break it all down. How to budget with purpose, build an emergency fund, destroy debt, start investing, and save $10,000 using science, not just willpower. Whether you're broke, rebuilding, or just tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this is for you. Let's take back control, one step at a time. Before you can build wealth, you need to know exactly what it costs to be you. That number is called your financial baseline. No fluff, no fantasy, just the real cost of surviving every month. Here's how to find it. Write down every monthly expense, rent, food, bills, subscriptions, even the sneaky ones. Now cut the fluff. Keep only what you actually need. A good baseline? Housing under 30% of your income. Groceries around 10%. Utilities, insurance, phone, another 10%. Try to keep your total baseline under 50% of what you earn. If you're over, start slashing. Yes, even that $9.99 app you barely use. This number becomes your foundation, your ground zero. Because if you don't know your baseline, you're flying blind. Here's the truth. Emergencies aren't rare. They're guaranteed. A flat tire, a busted laptop, a surprise vet bill. Over half of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency. That's scary. So your next mission is to build a buffer between you and life's chaos. Targets: save 3 to 6 months of your financial baseline. If your baseline is $2,500 per month, aim for $7,500 to $15,000. Keep it in a high-yield savings account separate from your checking. And one rule: this money is not for pizza, not for vacations, not for oops, I want AirPods. It's your shield, your financial firewall. Debt isn't just a bill, it's a vampire. Every time you carry credit card debt at 19%, it's like burning $1 for every $5 you spend. It's a slow leak that drains your future. There are 2 solid strategies to kill it. Avalanche method: pay off the highest interest first. Snowball method: pay off the smallest balance first for quick wins. There's no right answer, just start. Write it all down, face it, and attack. Because every dollar you free from debt is a dollar that works for you, not the bank. The wealthy don't guess with their money, they use systems. One of the simplest is the 75/10/15. Rules: 75% for living, rent, food, bills. 10% goes to savings. 15% goes straight to investing. This works whether you make $30,000 or $300,000. It forces you to live below your means by design, not by accident. Then automate it. Your paycheck hits and it splits itself. Bills paid, savings stacked, investments funded. No thinking, no forgetting, no, I'll do it later. This is how wealth is built quietly and consistently. Let's be honest, investing can feel overwhelming. Charts, jargon, market crashes, it's enough to make you freeze. But here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to start, you just need to start. Here's your checklist. Pay off high-interest debt. Build your emergency fund. Open these accounts. 401k. If your employer matches, grab the free money. Roth IRA grows tax-free, withdraws tax-free. Brokerage account, no income limits, easy to use. Now keep it simple. S&P 500 index fund, like VOO or SPLG. Dividend ETFs, like SCHD. NASDAQ 100, like QQQM if you like tech. Invest a little each month, no matter what the market is doing. That's called dollar cost averaging. You're not timing the market, you're training your future. Consistency greater than perfection. Ronald Read was a janitor, never made more than $25,000 a year. When he passed away, he left behind $8 million. No lottery, no inheritance, no fancy business, just habits, lived way below his means, invested every month, never sold in a panic, kept learning quietly. Ronald didn't need a finance degree, he needed patience and discipline. And guess what? You've got that same potential. It's not about how much you make, it's about what you do with what you have. Most people think saving money is about discipline. It's not. It's about designing a system that outsmarts your brain. Here's how to hack your savings habits. Automate it. Move money before you see it. Shrink the goal. $10,000 equals just $27.39 a day. Anchor to your why, family, freedom, future. Delay dopamine. Want something? Wait 30 days. Think in future value. $5,000 today could be $30,000 later. Shrink your ego. Stop buying to impress, start buying peace. Saving money isn't sacrifice. It's giving your future self a fighting chance. Money can be replaced. Time can't. If you make $30 an hour but spend 2 hours doing something you could outsource for $20, you didn't save $20. You lost $40 of opportunity. Buy back time when the math makes sense. Use those hours to learn a new skill, build your side hustle, spend time with people you love, or simply rest. Buying back time isn't laziness, it's leverage. That's how the smart get ahead. Here's the truth, you're gonna mess up. You'll impulse buy, you'll skip a budget, you'll panic sell something. It happens, that's human. But wealth isn't built in one perfect month, it's built in 1,000 quiet decisions no one sees. So when you fall off track, forgive yourself, then get back to it. Because the people who win this game, they're not the smartest, they're not the flashiest. They're the ones who didn't stop. And if this gave you clarity, hit like. If you know someone who's stuck in the cycle, send this to them. And if you're ready to build wealth without chasing hype, subscribe. This is Old and Broke. We don't follow trends, we follow habits, one step at a time.